There is something in this vulnerable machine, but I can't find it. I'll look the details with curl. It uses PHP backend. I will visit the those. Maybe I can find something. This is the word list option, and this is the URL option. I will filter the responses that says contact not 289. Index page is this page. There's infos. Oh yes, first page. It shows the PHP informations. I don't think there is so much important thing. And there's admin too. Okay, a username and password login page. Okay, I will also visit this too. Name, username, and name, password. Good. I guess the username is admin. I will pass this. I'm filtering the requests that has contact length 537. 1 2 3 4 5 6 is the correct password. Okay, we made it.